Oh, okay. All right, so 2, 1, I'm on. The reason why I have my hair so fun like this is because today I am going to show you how I used to do my makeup before I started doing my makeup. That sounded weird. Yeah, okay, so seriously, I'm not a makeup guru. We've gone through this. I don't feel like I need to repeat myself a dozen times. This is the truth. I'm learning as I go along, and I'm sharing with you as I go through this process. So, my lighting is really bad. Seriously. I did a vlog on this morning and how this studio is ridiculous. And so I'm really trying to figure things out lighting, and I have a huge shadow in the back. Whoa, 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 I could do shadow puppets. Shadow puppets. Yep. See? All right. I know. This isn't my vlog. This is my wonderful video on how I used to do my makeup. Here's the products. I swear to you on my life. I swear to you on my life. These are my products. Let's begin, because this is going to be short and silly and stupid. Let's just begin with the dumb thing I did. First of all, I used no primer. I just wiped my face off with the facial wipes and I was good to go. I used no moisturizer, no primer, no nothing. It's really getting foggy outside. And then I would use Color Mates. And then I would use Color Mates by who? Who's this by? Who are you? I don't know you. You don't know me. I don't know you. I don't even know who this is by. But look at how light it is. Okay, so then what I would do is I would take one of these really expensive sponges that Tati loves. I should maybe heat this up with my lamp. Because it's really, really hard. Like it's, it's disgusting. You know, you really never realize how bad your makeup really is until you start doing makeup the right way. I'm not kidding. I'm literally warming up this compact, this makeup on my lamp. Because my lamp is hot and this stuff is like so hard. Okay. Oh, there. I melted it a little bit. I probably shouldn't have done that because I wouldn't have done that any other day. And the reason why I have my hair up like this is because this is typically how I would wear my hair too. So we're going for the whole look today. Okay? So here we go. Oh! Interesting. Oh my gosh. You really, seriously? Guys, I mean, this is terrible. I'm almost ashamed to admit that I did this just a few weeks ago. I'm not kidding. I would do my videos like this. Oh, good God. No. What is this? No. Welcome back to my face. He's like, so neglected. Why did you leave me for so long? You neglected me. 'Cause you suck. Yeah, God. All right, so. Oh, yeah. I'm doing it just the way I would. So I just killed my eyeballs. And I'm just going to dig in there again. Uh-huh. Yep. Okay, I gotta look into this mirror here. Oh, be beauty queen. You are a beauty queen. Young and lean. Oh, that's, what song is that? ABBA. ABBA. Dancing Queen. Ticket to Dancing Queen. La la. La 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 la. That's it. Okay. Oh God, I can't wait to take this off already. I can understand why all these makeup gurus who started out and are now on YouTube for like 9 years are looking back at their old YouTube videos going, what? And I might do that too, but this is scary. Oh God, I would have been better with the lights off. Seriously? Okay. No, we're not going to do anything else because I don't do anything else. Seriously. Now I'm going in with the blush. This was my mother's blush before she died 6 years ago. Yeah. Naturally glamorous. Blush on. What color is that? Can anybody read that? What color is that? I don't have my glasses in here. You know what I just did? I'm just going to extend this video a little bit. Otherwise, we'd just be here for 3 minutes. Oh, well, maybe I should do that. Maybe you'll listen. Okay, seriously. Before I came in here, I had my drink with me as usual. And if you watch my vlog, I'll post it. If you watch my vlog about today, it's been a weird day, and I showed you my studio and what a disaster it is in here, just trying to set something up nice. And I came in here, I have a big strip for all my electrical stuff on the floor right underneath me, but all my cords are too short. This is an old house, and there's like one outlet in here, so everything's hooked up on it. And I'm on this tiny little desk. I swear to you, if you saw it in the video, it's a small little desk. Seriously, it's this wide. And so I had all my makeup on it, and I tried to move this light onto it so I'd have more light. Whoa, disco. And when I went to go try to just put it on, all the makeup slid, tipped over my drink into the electrical strip. You could see all the water just bubbling up inside, and you can smell burning electricity. That's my fun tidbit, because I'm just on 8 minutes now. All right, I'm gonna get some crappy brush. Hang on. I threw out the brush. Why did I do that? It was so good. I actually still use this blush. Oh, geez. Now my light moved on me. Stop. Please. For the love of Jesus. Just bear with. Give me a few minutes. All right. I'm done. I swear. I'm done. This is it. What do you want to talk about? So some of you are going, what's wrong with that? That's what I do. That's okay. I'm just... you know what? I'm a big fat liar, because I do actually blend. I am like anal about blending, because my mom, my mom was beautiful, but man, oh gosh, I think I put the wrong side on. My mom would wear makeup that was super, super too light for her, and she would have this like right around here. She never blended past her neck. She loved makeup, but God, the woman couldn't put it on. I mean, she would just have this, whoa, it's like a border from the United States to Mexico. It's like, United States, we're white, Mexico, we're dark. Do not take me off YouTube for that, because it was not racist. It was just reality. Are Mexicans darker than Caucasians? Yes, they are. Let's not get crazy. So now makeup's gonna be racist. Sorry, all you YouTubers out there, I just ruined makeup for you. But seriously, and my nose is like, I feel like I have something in it. Ugh. Ugh. I have no shame. Let's just put it that way. I have no shame. I'm not about perfection. We already know that, because look at this fun stuff. There. That is my makeup that I used to do. And this is how I wore my hair when it was long. It would just be like that. Well, hold on. It would be like this, because there'd be no poof in my hair. And then I do this. Aren't I beautiful? It's a good look, right? I don't know why anybody would make fun of this look, because this is pretty darn fantastic. Especially this thing right here. Okay, seriously, I wouldn't do that. I'm not even gonna lie. This is how it went. I was sporting that high forehead. Like, what do you do? What do you do with it? Well, I realize now you go with it. I love it. I'm not kidding. I think I should start a new trend that high foreheads are the way to go. That if you have this tiny, tiny little forehead like this big and you have all these cute little tiny hairs here, you're out of style, girlfriend, because the high receding forehead is where it's at. Okay. I don't know what else to do, because that's it. That's it. That's my makeup. That's how I used to do my makeup. You're welcome. Now I need to go. Now I need to go take this off so I can get ready to go. It's really foggy outside. I'm afraid to show you. It's foggy out. I'm afraid to move anything because I'm afraid like everything's just gonna like come crashing down on me. Yeah, right. It's a curtain. This is not, you know, it's a curtain. All right, let's just get over it. This is it. Yeah. I'm tired of trying to be something I'm not. I'm not fancy schmancy, you know, whoever. Tati, even though I love her and I want her studio so bad I could cry, but whatever. I would like to just sit in there and have her do my makeup for me and show me how it's done, Tati. Show me how it's done. But that'll never happen. And she's got that beautiful hair and everything. So I'm not going to that's it. I'm done with this video because it's done. Now I'm just talking to you. And my makeup has been done 6 minutes ago. Goodbye.